So, the question that this blog post will answer is, can you make money with affiliate marketing without having a website? Yes is the short answer. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about how you can start doing affiliate marketing as a beginner without a website. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting the products and services of others. If a person you refer to a website purchases something or takes an action, such as signing up for a trial or clicking on a link, you may receive a commission. And it is quickly becoming a popular method of online marketing for both advertisers and affiliates. Why? The seller makes a sale that they might not have made otherwise, and you get a cut of the profits. It is a win-win situation. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for bloggers and business owners to generate passive income. Some affiliates earn more than $50,000 per month just from affiliate sales. These bloggers usually have a large and devoted following, which takes a lot of time, energy, and effort to develop. But what if you don't want to start a blog or keep your own website up to date? Is this to say you won't be able to participate in affiliate marketing? Certainly not. In fact, there are many ways to make money online as an affiliate marketer without having to have a website or a blog. The truth is that as an affiliate marketer, you can make money in a variety of ways. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. As the old adage goes, it's like pinning all your financial goals to a content publishing platform that could go away tomorrow, taking your goals and your bank account with it. This has happened to me several times, most recently when businesses' organic reach on Facebook was reduced. If you're hell-bent on promoting affiliate programs without a website, there are a few other things to think about. Creating an affiliate network account usually necessitates the creation of a website. Because you're not creating anything you own, you will never be able to sell it. The second point is the most important because an affiliate website can easily be sold for up to 40 times its monthly income. A website that earns $2,000 per month, for example, could be sold for as much as $80,000. That is why it is critical to consider where you want to take your affiliate marketing business in the long run. However, let us say you are dead set on making it as a siteless affiliate marketer, cursing the search engines. What alternatives do you have? You can monetize your online presence on social media instead of using affiliate links in your blog posts or on your website. Many social media platforms allow users to include affiliate links in their posts, profiles, groups, and updates. This means you can promote products as an affiliate using online communities with millions of active users. With over 3 billion users, Facebook is the most popular social media platform. You can start promoting affiliate products on Facebook by creating a Facebook business page or group if you already have a personal profile. Your page can be about anything you want, but the most profitable niches are those centered around health, relationships, and money. Select a topic that interests you and begin building an active and engaged audience by sharing high-quality information that people will appreciate. Consider using an affiliate program such as Amazon Influencer Program to start promoting products you know your audience will enjoy as your following grows. Assume you have started a Facebook page dedicated to everything yoga. You could use the Amazon Influencer Program to suggest yoga mats and blocks, clothing, or books that people would enjoy and benefit from. As a side note, make sure you follow Facebook's branded content policies as well as the FTC's disclosure guidelines. Facebook, on the other hand, isn't the only social media platform that allows affiliate links. You share affiliated link content on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. But keep in mind that because you don't own your social media accounts, you must adhere to each site's affiliate link policies. Additionally, you shouldn't just post, pin, or tweet affiliate links as a general rule. Instead, prioritize content quality over affiliate offers and only include them when they add value to the information you are sharing. You can also create a YouTube channel. Isn't it true that you can make money by promoting affiliate products on YouTube? Yes, and many people already do, owing to the fact that YouTube receives more traffic than several other major search engines combined. When a YouTuber asks you to click on a link in a box on the screen, or when they tell you to use a specific code on a website to get a discount, unboxing or reveal videos, for example, that's all there is to affiliate marketing. Just publish great videos and post your affiliate link in the video description. Most websites now advise. What they fail to mention is that you will need to build a sizable audience, at least 25,000 real active subscribers, before you can earn enough money from affiliate products to replace your job. The bigger issue you'll face is that YouTube can terminate your channel at any time if they mistakenly believe you are doing something wrong, or if your channel is reported for any number of reasons. Having said that, Google does not show a YouTube carousel of keyword-focused videos on the first page of its search results. In terms of SERPs, that's oceanfront real estate. As a result, YouTube affiliate marketing can still be extremely profitable. Purchasing PPC or pay-per-click ads on Google Ads or one of the many social media sites is another way to drive traffic back to your affiliate links. You will need to be strategic with this method, which is also known as affiliate arbitrage, because you don't want to waste money on ads that don't convert onlookers into action takers. The premise behind this concept is that you buy ads for a low cost and then drive traffic to high converting offers and blog posts, recouping your advertising costs plus more. If you're going to use this strategy, make sure you are up to date on copywriting, target audiences, and ROI measurements. Take a training course on the ad platform you will be using to improve your chances of success. Google and Facebook both offer free courses for learning the ins and outs of running ads on their platforms. Then there is email marketing. You will need a list of subscribers to whom you can recommend products, which you can either build yourself or purchase. Because purchase lists can be frustrating, it is a better idea to make your own. So how do you go about putting together a mailing list? You could, for example, advertise a free course or guide or info products on social media sites like Facebook or Pinterest. You can then send weekly emails to your list promoting affiliate links for products or services that they would find useful. So far, everything seems pretty straightforward, right? It is with the exception that to make any real money with this type of affiliate marketing, you must be a master email copywriter. You will also have to work almost non-stop to keep or grow the size of your subscriber list. Amazon is a more beginner-friendly way to make money as an affiliate marketer without having to maintain a blog or website. You get a personalized storefront with the Amazon Influencer Program, and it works with a variety of non-blogging platforms. Plus, whether you are making a YouTube video or posting a social media update, their tools make it simple to incorporate your unique affiliate links into the content you share. The application process is quick and easy. They do check your follower count and engagement rates. And you don't have to apply to any third-party offers unlike other affiliate sites. Once you have been approved as an Amazon influencer, you can begin promoting the millions of products available on the world's largest online store, which range from ebooks to electronics to home appliances to pet supplies and everything in between. Some affiliate networks won't let you join without a blog or website, even if you have a large social media following or email list. Look into referral link programs if you run into this issue. These are small referral programs run by individual businesses that provide you with a referral link to share with your target market. You will get store credit, free swag, or even cash if someone makes a purchase or signs up for a trial through your link. Rakuten is a well-known referral program, formerly Ebates. You can create an account with this program and then share your referral link with your friends and family. You will get $30 in cash for each referral who signs up and makes a qualified purchase using your referral link. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.